Hello, good morning student. Today I am teach class 5th mathematics. Okay, lesson second. First lesson open the school after your teach. Okay, and the addition. Second lesson is the addition, subtraction, and there are the applications. Okay, what is this? Addition and main is subtraction. Only two topic is understand. Okay, one is understand addition and second is subtraction. First you see the gear up. Okay, first you see gear up is the solve it. Given the question, first you arrangement the this one, after you are doing according to symbols. First you see 6 9 8 7 4 plus 1 4 5 8 2 give, and you write arrange. First you 6 9 8 7 4. Okay, what you give? 6 9 8 7 4. Second is 1 4 5 8 and 2. What is given? The symbol is addition. Okay, you write here. And next you addition. 4 and 2 is 6. Write here 6. And next no carry. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 is 15. You write here 5. 1 is carry, upper side you write. 1 carry and 8 is 9. 1 carry and 8 is 9. And 5, 9 and 5, 14. Right? 4 here, 1 carry. And 1 carry and 9 is 10. 10 and 4, 14. Right? 4, 1 carry. 1 and 6, 7 and 1, 7. Sorry. 7 and 1, 8. Okay, what is answer? 4 and 2 is 6, 7 and 8 is 15, write 5 here, 1 is carry, 1 and 8, 9, 9 and 5, 14, 4 here, 1 carry, 1 and 9, 10, and 4, 14, write here 1, so you write here 4 and 1 is carry, 1 and 6, 7 and 1 carry, 8, write this one. Okay, arrange first you this one, write you 6, 5, 8, 9, 2. Okay, arrange. Next is given the 1 2 8 2 3. 1 4 8 2 3. And what is given? The symbol is subtraction. You write here minus. Okay, next you minus 2 less by 3, not less, because 2 is the smallest number, so column carry, and this is 12. Okay, 12 less by 3, 9 is come, you write 9 here, and 8 here. 8 and less by 2, 6 is come. 8 and 8, 0 is come. 5 and 4, 1 is come, and 5 6 and 1 less, 5 is come. What is the answer? 5 1 0 6 9. 2 less by 3, not less, so call the carry. First call carry. 12 here, 12 less by 3, and 9 is come. Next is 8 here left. 8 less by 2, 6 is come. Next 8 less by 8, 0. 5 less by 4, 1. 6 less 1, 5 is come. Okay, see next. First you arrange this 8 4 7 5 6 9. You write here side 2 8 5 4 1. Okay, what is give the symbol is addition. You write here is addition. Now you add 9 and 2 is 11. 9 and 2 is 11. 1 carry here. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 8, 7 and 8 15. So write 5 here. 1 is carry. 1 and 5 6, and 5 11. Write here 1 is carry. 1 and 7 8. 8 and 4 12. Write 2 here. 1 carry. 1 and 4 5 and 1 6. No give the carry, and next is carry. No give the number, you write here 0. Okay, 0 is value is no value. Okay, 0 value. Write this one 7 8 4 5 9, and you start the their side you first. 4 8 5 2. Okay, and give the symbol is minus. Now give the number, you write here 0. Okay, 0 value is 0 always. And less, give the symbol is subtraction, you less. Okay, 9 less by 4, 5 is come. Next, 5 less by 8, 5 is smallest number, so do not less 8. Okay, first you call carry, and this is 15. 15 less by 8, 15 less by 8, what is come? 7. And left is 3, 3 less by 5, 3 is the smallest number, so do not less. And you call the carry, call carry here 13, and left the 7. 13 less by 5, 13 less by 5, remaining is 8. 7, 7 less by 2, 5 is come. Next, 7 less by 0, 7 is come. So this is the answer. Okay, see next again. 9 less by 4, 5 is come. 5 less by 8, 5 is the smallest number, so call the carry. You first call the carry. 15 here, 15 less by the 8, 7 is come. After 3 is left, and 3 less by 5, 3 is the smallest number, so call the carry. 8, carry 1, 13 here, 13 less by 8, and sorry, 13 less by 5, 8 is come, and left the number is 7. 7 less by 2, 5 is come, and 7 less by 0, 7 is come. Okay, you start the lesson is second. Now you start the 2.1 exercise. But you give the first question, find the sum of the following number. Okay, give the some numbers, you sum. First you arrange this number, you write this value 1 6 7 8 5 4 6, and you write here side. Okay, you write here side, you write 3, after you 2 4 6 5. Okay, you write their side is wrong. Okay, you write start this side. Okay, and give the symbol is addition, you write here. And 6 is 3, 6 and 3 9, and 4 and 2 6 here, and 5 and 4 9, and 8 and 6 is 14. Okay, 4 right here, 1 is 3, 1 and 7 8, 8 and 5 13, right 3, 1 carry, 1 and 6 7 and 1. No give the number, you write here 0. Okay, 0 value is no value. Next you write here 7 3 5 6 2 2. First you arrange this question after your additions. You write their side, you start 5 4 0 0 2 1. What is given, the symbol is addition. Okay, we write here some symbol. 2 and 5 is 7, 2 and 4 is 6, 6 and 0 is 6, 5 0 is 5, 3 2 5, and 1 and 7 8. This is an answer. Only simple here. Okay, you write C and write. And give the more question you are doing at home. Homework here. Okay, this is your homework. Doing this like this type. Okay, you do first arrange this according these numbers. Okay, this question you accordingly this like this type you do. Okay, first you arrange the number, after you are give the symbol is sum. Okay, you do it. First question is 3 7 8 2 1 1 plus 9 4 5 3 2 7. D point is 5 5 6 4 7 8 3 plus 4 3 5 7 0 0. Next is 2 0 0 1 3 4 4 plus 5 4 3 6 6. And F point is 1 4 2 6 7 3 4 plus 6 7 8 4 5 3. Okay, see the second question. Second question is find the difference. The following numbers. Okay, what is second question? Find the difference. Difference means is subtractions. Okay, difference means is subtraction. You give the first question is A point 4 5 8 0 9 2 minus subtraction 3 5 6 and 2 1 7. Okay, first you arrange this number. You write 4 5 8 0 9 2 and write here side you first. Okay, here side you write 7 1 2 6 5 and 3. What is give the symbol is minus. You write the subtraction symbol. 2 less by 7, no less, you call the carry 12 here. 12 less by 7, 5 is come. Left is 8, 8 less by 1, 7 is come. And 0 less by the 2. 0 is the smallest number, you so first the call the carry. First you call carry. 1 carry is 10 here. Okay, 10 less by and 7 left here. 10 less by 2, 8 and 7 less by 6 is 1 is come. Okay, 5 less by 5 is 0 come. 4 less by 3, 1 is come. Okay, understand you? Next question, you see the B point. One 7 4 6 0 0 subtraction minus symbols 3 4 5 6. Okay, you write first arrange this number 1 7 1 7 4 6 0 0 and you write their side you start. Okay, 6 5 4 3. What is give the symbol is subtraction. No give the numbers, you write here 0. Okay, next you see first 0 less by 6. 0 is the smallest number, so do not less. You call the first, you never. Okay, call is also is 0. You do not give the carry. You call next again. Is the call here. 10 is come and 5 is left. And next is call 1 carry. 9 is left. 1 call 10 here. 10 less by 4 6. 10 less by 6 4 is come. 9 less by 5 4 is come. 5 less by 4 1 is come and 4 less by 3 1 is come. Next is remaining the numbers same here. Okay, understand? You first arrange the number. You write 1 7 4 6 0 0 and this one is the start the their side you start first. You 6 5 3 4 4. Not given the number, you write 0 0. Okay, you understand? And give the some question. You do homework. C point. And D point 6 7 0 0 8 9 minus 45 4 5 2 3 0. Okay, E point is 6 7 3 9 8 is the subtractions 2 3 4 5 6 and F point is 2 3 9 8 7 6 8 is the subtraction. 4 3 6 and 8 1, and this is your homework. Okay, goodbye, best of luck.